Hey guys, one of the biggest mistakes I see barbers making on YouTube all the time is that they will start a fade like this and just take a nice bald line right to the skin, clean it out, and then they'll even come up with foils and get this as bald as possible. So let's talk about why that's wrong. When you do that, when you press the trimmer blade to the scalp in this position, as opposed to this position, this is the closest you can actually get with a clipper, especially if they're zeroed out. So what you're doing is you're placing the hardest, sharpest line you can on the scalp, right where you want it to be like blurry smooth. And you wonder why you have to use, tons of time, go back and forth over it just to get that line out. So let's show you what we should be doing instead. So if you notice, I've already done my scissor work. I've gone through with a longer guard and debulked through here so that we've gotten rid of all of the weight. And so I do like to start with a baseline, but we need to talk about a different way to do this so that you're not fighting this super hard line. How we need to do this is to flip the trimmer over and flick. So you see we've still got the shape, we're still building out, we're starting with a baseline, but let me show you the difference. If I go through 0.5 or clipper open, I want you to see how this side has a hard line and this side is almost completely blended out. All right, can we see the difference right there? This has this really hard, rigid line that I'm gonna then have to go back over with liners. Whereas over here, this is so soft, I haven't even used zero yet. If I close down a little bit, use zero halfway open, that line's gone. Whereas this one, I'm gonna have to fight this one for a while. And I've still got a little faint line there. So it'll make it a lot easier on you if instead of starting with the trimmer like this, flip it over and flick out. Use a flicking motion and you'll never have a line there to start with.